my name is Peter Roto, and today I'm going to just demonstrate how to use the Talkio, the blogging post app I just made. So without further ado, let's go. I populated it with some seed data already. So right now I'm just launching the app here. And now I shall pull it up. Snap it up. Okay, so yeah, no blog posts yet. I'm going to sign up. So I just fill in the appropriate information. I ask for a GitHub username. It's kind of cool. We'll come up with a sweet name. Let's do yeah, 2 R's or 3. There we go. And obviously I've done this a couple times, so I remembered my password. But bam. And then this is the seed data I put in, so it brings us right to our home page. So here's some blog posts from other people. We click on those. It allows us to write comments. Cool, Jerry. Add a comment, and they all go on this list right here. Go back to the home page, and if you go to the dashboard, currently don't have any posts, right? This is a new post. Boom. Monkeys are cool. Boom. I hit create post, and now here's another one. So blog post 2. Monkeys are still cool. So you can just fill in some data here and then say, I don't really like that anymore. You can hit edit right there. If you scroll down, there's delete post, and you can see it is now gone. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can log posts, you see what other people have written. You can only delete them if you're yours, but you can comment on anybody else's posts. So seems pretty cool. Actually, it seemed like it took me a lot longer to code this than what it actually does. So hope all 3 people who ever use this app enjoy it. But if you wanted to, that's how it works. You also have a link to my repo here. You can email me there. And there you go. So, all right, enjoy. Lastly, login is the same as sign up. So if you click here on accident, you can click here and go to sign up instead. Boom. All right. Well, it's been real.